let's talk about a very important topic: credit disputes and mortgages. This is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, but better known as MG the Mortgage Guy. We are live, we are blessed. Thank God for another day. Go to mgbookstore.com to pick up House Hackonomics and the Real Estate Investors Manifesto. Folks, when they're doing credit repair, for the most part, you're disputing accounts with the credit bureaus. And when you have these disputes on your credit reports, you are hurting your chances to get approved for a mortgage. Let me repeat. If you apply for a loan while you're going through the credit repair process, you can hurt yourself. Here's how. If you are disputing charge-off accounts, collection accounts, any derogatory credit accounts with late payments in the past 24 months, and you apply for a loan and the credit report reads that you're currently in dispute, then you, the borrower, will have to call that creditor to have them remove that language from your credit report, and it must show that the dispute is resolved. Okay? Once that happens, then the lender has to re-pull your credit, another hard pull. And this can potentially drop your credit score. I see this happen all the time, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, if you're going through credit repair, my advice to you is let the credit repair process take its full course before you prematurely go out here and get yourself pre-approved with a lender. A lot of people get excited because they see their credit score goes from the 5s, low 6s to the high 6s, low 7s, and they're ready. They want to go buy this house. They want to go buy this investment property, but they haven't let the full process mature, right? So it hurts them. I don't want you guys to hurt yourself. Now, the only credit disputes that are exempt and allowed during the mortgage underwriting process are the following. Non-medical collection accounts. If all creditors outstanding aggregate credit balance totals under $1,000. So if you have credit, medical collections, and it's under $1,000, those are exempt. Medical collections are exempt. Non-medical collections with zero balances are exempt. Non-medical outstanding collections accounts with zero balance are exempt. Any credit disputes on non-medical collection accounts and or derogatory credit trade lines that are 2 years old or older are exempt from retraction of credit disputes. All right. So if you guys fall into any of those categories with these medical collections, those are the only ones that you can get away with still being in dispute. All right. Now, let me give you some actionable items. Let me give you some steps to resolve your credit disputes. Number one is you inform the creditor in question that the account is no longer in dispute and request retraction on the credit report. Number two, request and instruct creditors to report the bureaus that all other accounts are no longer in dispute. Number three, contact all three of the credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, and call them over the phone and go over all these accounts and details. Always be clear that you are no longer disputing the items. Be clear because you don't want that dispute to continue to show. You got to confirm that all non-medical disputes are removed and ask them the exact date when this will be updated. Some creditors move faster than others. It can take up to 72 hours. It can take up to a week. But again, this is very important for you guys to have that information of knowing exactly when those disputes will be updated from the creditor to the credit bureau's end. So that way you can time it with the re-pull of your credit with your mortgage lender. All right. So very important information. This is going to be a quick to the point video. Please, 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 please. Again, if you're going through the credit repair process, give it time, be patient, go through your process, let those accounts mature, let those disputes fall off naturally, because you don't want to keep running your credit back and forth. You worked hard to get your credit scores back to a high level. Don't ruin it by being excited and prematurely going to speak to a lender and get it disputed. All right. So if you like this information, if you want more information on credit and mortgages, tips, tricks, hacks, whatever it is, like, comment, share. Most importantly, comment in the comments and let us know what topics you will want us to discuss when it comes to credit and mortgages specifically. All right. So again, download this on audio, MG the Mortgage Guy Show. Go to mgbookstore.com. And if you want to work with me and my team, we are here to help you guys. We service 21 states. Go to applywithmg.com for more information. This is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, but better known as MG the Mortgage Guy. Peace.